Hey there, folks. If you're staring at that pesky F5 error code on your Westinghouse dishwasher and wondering what it means, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the 2025 guide on fixing this common issue step by step. Whether you're a DIY newbie or a seasoned fixer, I'll break it down clearly so you can get your dishwasher running smoothly again. First off, let's talk about what the F5 error code actually means. In Westinghouse dishwashers, F5 typically signals a problem with the water inlet or drainage system. It often points to issues like low water pressure, a blocked inlet valve, or even a leak detection. Don't panic. It's usually something you can handle at home without calling a pro right away. Now, let's cover the possible causes. The most common culprits include a kinked or clogged water supply hose, a faulty inlet valve, or debris buildup in the filters. Sometimes, it's as simple as a temporary water supply issue from your home's plumbing. Other factors could be a malfunctioning float switch or even a problem with the control board, though that's less frequent. Alright, time for the solutions. Start by ensuring your dishwasher is turned off and unplugged for safety. First, check the water supply hose. Make sure it's not kinked and that water is flowing freely from your faucet. If that's good, inspect the inlet valve for any blockages and clean it out if needed. Next, remove and clean the dishwasher's filters. Gunk from food particles can easily cause this error. If you're comfortable, you might want to reset the appliance by pressing the reset button or unplugging it for a few minutes. If these steps don't work, it could be a more serious issue like a defective part. In that case, consult your user manual or contact Westinghouse support. Remember, always prioritize safety, wear gloves and avoid electrical hazards. There you have it. By following these tips, you should be able to banish that F5 error for good. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home repair hacks. Thanks for watching, and happy fixing.